Let's make a simple fabric flower. I'll be making use of these two round objects of different sizes. Okay, I'll be using it to trace out on a pattern paper. Here are the pattern papers. I have this, the bigger size and the smaller size. I'm going to be using this pattern paper to place on a fabric and cut it. This is a Mikado fabric. Okay, I've gone ahead to cut out the circles or the round shapes on my fabric, and I have 5 pieces of this circle for each of the size. Okay, I have 5 pieces for this and also 5 pieces for the bigger size. I'll pick up one of the circles and fold it wrong side facing each other, wrong side of the fabric facing each other, and I'll make it equal like so. Then I'll come in with my hand needle and a matching thread. I'm going to start making gather stitch using my hand needle like so. Okay, I'll make a gather stitch while I am holding the two edges together, making sure it doesn't shift. Just ensure that it is equal at the edge. Then I'll pick up another circle. I'll fold it the same way I folded the first one. I'm going to place it on top of the first one like so. I'll place it to lap with the first one like so. Then I'll start making the gather stitch again. I'm going to do this for all the circles. Now for the last part of this particular flower, I'll place the last circle on top of the fourth one. Remember, we are making use of 5 circles for one flower. Then I'll start making the gather stitch as well. Okay, when I get to the end, I'm going to place this last circle on top of the first one. I'll overlap it like so. Then I'll make a little gather stitch there. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to drag this thread to make all the circles to come together, leaving a smaller hole at the center. So this is what it should look like. You can repeat this process to make as many flowers as possible. The next thing I'm going to do is to come in with my fabric gum. Then I've also gone ahead to cut out small circles to cover up this rough side of the flower on both ends. Okay, I'll cover the up and the down using my fabric gum. I'm going to be gumming this circle to this part of the flower. Then I'll come in with this other fabric flower I got from the market. I'll cut it out in pieces like so and place it at the circle, the little circle. I'm going to place it at that point. Okay, after gumming the very tiny circle, then I'll place this flower on top of it and tack it using my hand needle. And that is actually how to make this. At the end of the day, I was able to make these 4 beautiful fabric flower of different shapes. The next thing I will do now is to use it to embellish an already sewn dress. So here is the dress, and I'll come in with the fabric flowers now and place it at any corner of my choice. Just be creative around it. You can place it anyhow you want and use it to form a shape or whatever. Just place it anyhow you want on your dress. Then use a matching thread and your hand needle to tack it down to the dress. And that is all for this tutorial. If this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a very nice comment below, and remember to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.